Need to move a car that's not registered? Whether it's a project vehicle, recent purchase, or salvage auction win, you can ship it legally without registration or plates. Here's how. No, registration and plates are not required when using a licensed auto transport company. Your car is treated as cargo, not a vehicle in operation. You'll need to prove you legally own the vehicle. This usually means providing the title, bill of sale, or lien release. Without documentation, most carriers won't accept the job. Is the car inoperable? Let the carrier know upfront. Non-running vehicles need a winch or forklift and may cost extra due to handling requirements. Driving an unregistered car on public roads is risky and often illegal. Even with a temporary permit, liability issues can arise. It's safer and often cheaper to ship it. Here's your prep checklist. Wash the vehicle, take detailed photos, remove personal items, leave 1/4 tank of gas, ensure tires are inflated and the battery is charged. Once scheduled, the carrier will inspect the car at pickup, complete a condition report, and secure the vehicle. Upon delivery, inspect it again before signing off. Choose a licensed and insured transporter. Compare quotes, verify carrier credentials, and confirm they handle unregistered or inoperable vehicles. Transporting an unregistered car is simple if you follow the right steps. Skip the stress of risky driving. Book with a trusted auto transport company and ship safely.